Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are exploring LeetCode problem number 3015, count the numbers of houses at a certain distance 1. It's a really interesting graph problem where you are given a town represented as a series of houses connected by roads, and your task is to figure out how many houses are exactly at a given distance from every other house. It sounds simple at first, but there is a clever twist. The structure of the road makes it behave like a graph traversal challenge, and getting the distance count efficiently is the key to solving it. In this video, I will break down how to understand the graph, how to approach the problem using breadth first search means BFS, and how to avoid gradient computations that can slow you down. We will walk through a sample input, look at how distances are calculated step by step, and then build a clean, efficient solution together. So if you're practicing for coding interviews or want to spend your graph theory foundations, this problem is perfect for you. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive into the count the numbers of houses at a certain distance. So let's start. So guys, let's start with today's video. In today's video, we are solving our question number 3015 by the name of count the numbers of houses at a certain distance 1. So let's begin it. Now, it is giving me a three positive integers. Okay, how many? Three positive integers. So please highlight this positive word. Okay, and the three positive integers name is n, x, and y. Okay. Now, in a city, now let me tell you some story in storyline. In a city, there exists houses numbered 1 to n connected by n streets. There is a street connecting the house numbered I with the house numbered I plus 1 for all. 1 less than equals to I less than equals to n minus 1. An additional street connects the house numbered x with the house numbered y for each case such that 1 less than equals to k less than equals to n, you need to find the number of pairs of house such that the minimum number of streets that needs to be traveled to reach house from house is k. Now we want to return a one indexed array result of length n, where result k represents the total number of pairs of houses such that the minimum streets required to reach one house from the other is k. Note that the x and y can be equal. Okay, please note that. Highlighted this word equal, highlighted this node word also. Now let's pack it. Now here's example one. If you see, this it is looking like he make it a heart, okay, heart shape. So if you see, it is going 1 to 2, okay, on 1 to 2, and then 2 to 3, and then 3 to 1, okay, like this. If you check it out, like 1 to 2, then 2 to 3, and then directly 3 to 1 it is going on. So okay, it is looking like that. So here he gave a three integers. One integer name is n, in which he written down the value 3, and one more integer by the name of x, in which he wrote in on the value 1, and one more integer he did a y, in which the value is 3. And the output I'm coming in three formats: 6 comma 0 comma 0. How? Let me tell you. Let's look at each pair of houses. For the pair 1 comma 2, we can go from house 1 to house 2 directly. Number 2, for the pair 2 comma 1, we can go from house 2 to house 1 directly. Number 3, for the pair 1 to 3, we can go from house 1 to house 3 directly. Number 4, for the pair 3 comma 1, we can go from house 3 to house 1 directly. Number 5, for the pair 2 comma 3, we can go from the house 2 to house 3 directly. And then for the pair 3 and 2, we can go from house 3 to house 2 directly. Okay, like this. That's why the output is coming like this. If you see this diagram, it is looking like it is going like this: 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and then 4 to 5, and then 4, and then 4 to 2. Okay, it is going like this. So here he did a three integers same as above. 1 in the n integer, here he written on the value 5, in the x the value is 2, in the y the value is 4, and the output is 10, 8, 2, 0, 0. If I explain you this question, why the output is coming like this? Because for each distance, the k pairs are for k equals to 1. The pairs are 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 2 4 4 2 3 4 4 3 4 5 and 5 4. And for k equals to 2, the pairs are 1 3 3 1 1 4 4 1 2 5 5 2 3 5 and 5 3. And for the k equals to 3, the pairs are 1 5 and 5 1. And for k 4 and k5, there are no pairs. So that's why the output is coming like this. In example 3, if you see, so it is going like this: 1 2 3, then 4, and then it is coming under 1 and then 1, like this. Okay, and here you get it the same as above example. Here you get three integers. uh, First integer name is n, in which the value is 4, and the second integer name is x, in which the value is 1, and the third integer name is y, in which the value is 1 also. The output is coming 6420. Why? For each distance, the k pairs are for k1, the pairs are 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2 3 4 and 4 3. And for k2, the pairs are 1 3 3 1 2 4 and 4 2. And for k3, the pairs are 1 4 and 4 1. And for k4, there are no pairs. Okay. So there are the two constraints that also be used in this question. Okay. But anyways, let's start to solve this question in the LeetCode website. The medium one question which we are solving, and in today's question there are the one hint are also be included, but we don't see the hint. And in today's question there are the four topics that included by the name of breadth-first search, graph, prefix sum, and weekly contest 381. And total 45,000 people submitted this question, and only 25,000 has been accepted, and total acceptance rate is 56.7%. So let's start to solve this question. Let's start to write a code of this question. So first of all, we define a class of a solution that count of pairs x comma y, and then we define grade equals to 1 0 0 minus n plus 1 for in range, and then in range we define n plus 1. Enter. For j in range 1 comma n, get it, j, and then j plus 1 equals to 1. Perfect. Enter. Grade, again we wrote it down, grade j plus 1, and then j, and then here we wrote it down 1, grade x, and then here we wrote it down y equals to 1. Define here grid y x equals to enter. We press enter. For k in range, okay, first of all we remove these. For k in range, here we define 1 comma n plus 1. For I in range, and then 1 comma n plus 1. Okay, give the space back, enter. And then for k, for I, for j in range 1 comma n plus 1, enter. Grade I j equals to min, grade I j comma grade I, then we wrote it down k plus grade k, and then j. Enter. Back, enter. Perfect. Now we define here result equals to 0 multiplied by n and then we define for I in range, for I in range 1 comma n plus 1, for j in range 1 comma n plus 1 if I equals to j, val equals to grade I j, result val minus 1 plus equals to 1. Enter, back, and then we define and return result. So let's see the output. What is the output income? It is correct. The question is correct or not. So let's see. So I run this code. So the running code has been accepted, and let me see the submission code. So when I submit this code, now the submission code is also be accepted or not. Let's view out. So the submission code is also be accepted or not. So let's view it down. So it take a moment, take a little bit moment because it is depend on your net. So it has been submitted and I beat total 9% people. So it is a very pure question. I think it gone, but I solve it. It is a big okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video in which we solve a question number 3015 by the name of count the number of houses at a certain distance 1. So if you enjoyed today's video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of new tutorials, and please come over to my channel by the name of Darian, and please hit the subscribe button and press a bell icon also, and please access my LeetCode camp playlist because I am uploading new questions on this channel and I am uploading the video daily wise on this channel, like I'm coming in algorithm. Okay, so please see my all the videos from starting to end. Okay, so please share my videos with your friends and family members and neighbors also. So let's meet in the next video amazing video like this. So for today, goodbye.